Hey everyone, good afternoon. This is Orly here again, and today we got a special treat. Today we're going to be reviewing the RX-0 Gundam Nike SB Dunk Editions, okay? I really like this shoe. They were pretty cool when they come out. They're named after the show, Gundam Unicorn. You don't really have to get into the show right now. This is a review for the shoes, but that's the way it is being marked as, okay? It's marking the 15th anniversary of the graphic novel itself. Not the actual show where it came out back in 1979. Okay, it's actually the 15-year anniversary of the graphic novel, for the Gundam Unicorn franchise. Okay. Anyhow, let's get to it. On the right-hand side, I have the Unicorn edition, and on my left-hand side, I got the Banshee edition. Okay, mine's 11.5. For the misses, it's 8. Women's 9.5. Okay, just so you know the transition of sizes. Both of them retail for $110. Both of them the same. Not bad, right? It's pretty good. The resale value of these is insane. So just keep that in mind. Anyhow, the only difference was the Unicorn released on November 10th and the Banshee released on November 16th. The thing about the Banshee was this is the one that was very limited. It didn't really release on the sneakers app. It didn't release in that. It was mainly like around skate shops and things of that nature. So the Banshees were the more rare of the bunch. The Unicorn ones came out actually in the sneakers app. We know how we feel about it. Take L's, whatever, you name it. Regular Nike SB Dunk Box. Nothing really too flashy about it. Okay, both of them are the same. So I'm gonna review. Oh, had it backwards because I was gonna open them. Anyhow, so here we go. I'm gonna open it real quick. You can see here's the shoe. I'm gonna get the Unicorn first, the white one. Nothing too fancy about the paper, you know. And it comes with the shoelaces and things like that, which I'm going to get to in a second. So we're going to move the boxes a little bit here so we can make some room. And then here we go with the Banshee. Okay. And okay, so the missus was trying it on the other day. That's why you see the shoelaces a little messed up. So let me go. Not to worry right there. Here we go. So I'm going to move this to the side. Okay, that way you guys can see. So there you go. This is the Unicorn edition. This is the Banshee edition. Of course, right off the bat, would make the shoe very, very remarkable. It had like more leather patent trims. Like, as you can see, it's like, it's a white and then like a hue red underneath, and then this black, and then the design of the Gundam. It was really cool, actually. I like this a lot. Of course, then you got the RX-0 Gundam edition. It's both for the same. It's made for the Banshee as well. Okay, they're not different. The only thing that's different is the colorway, and that's it. That's all that's different. But the actual design of the shoe is the same. Nike SB at the bottom. Nothing too really fancy about that. You got your regular Nike SB tongue, things of that nature. It's got the market design on the back. And the inside just says Nike Zoom Air. Nothing too special about also on the inside, okay? What is special about this, again, is the outside, alright? As you can see the Nike swoosh on the inside of your foot, on the inside of the shoe, right? We're going to go the interior side, that's what we're going to say. It's got like a little pattern here. It's a yellow, pretty cool, right? Pretty cool. The biggest thing about this, of course, is if you have seen or reviewed the shoes, the swoosh comes out, right? That's the most coolest part. So, without further ado, I'm going to bring this in. So this is like, a little kit of stickers that they give you with the shoes themselves. See, it's got pretty cool stickers, right? That way you can put them anywhere. You can put them on the shoe if you want. I wouldn't do that, but it says SB Pro Project RX-0 Unicorn. Okay, that's what it says. All right, so that way you guys can tell. The biggest, again, difference is the swoosh. Okay, you can like take it off if you feel like it. You want to stump people, you want to run them. You can put a little gold one right here. Look at that. Okay, kind of difference, right? It's a gold and then a yellow. Say, I'll take a look at it there, right there. Looks pretty sharp, I say. If you want to, switch swoosh. Of course, in the back, you can see how they line up. Nothing too special about that. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Go ahead and put it back in. I thought that's a pretty cool design that they give you your own like Velcro tab, so you can like keep your stuff, in line, and that way it doesn't get ruined, things of that nature. Because you know how the Velcro is. The male part kind of just fades away if you just leave it out of place. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this back. We're gonna put our Original yellow swoosh on. Ooh, let me line it up. Look at it. Did a horrible job. There you go. So I kind of like it. It's like a pink colorway, right? Red, pink. It's pretty neat, pretty design. Light midsole, the stitching on it. It's like actual leather. When you open the cover with the shoelaces, of course, you see how it opens up. You see that? It's got more black. So this flaps away. This is a very unique combination of the SB Dunks. See how it opens? Kind of like wraps around the shoe to give more tighter grip. But there you have it. And of course, because it is a special edition, Nike said, oh, you know, we don't want our guys to, you know, be left out or whatever. We got some green shoelaces here, the red hue, and then the black one. So you got like a 4 pair of shoelaces. You guys know how I feel about changing shoelaces on the shoe. It can dramatically increases the effects of them, okay? I'm going to give you guys a few still for this one. As you can see, we got the green one. We got the black one. And then this pink hue, pinkish, reddish. We're just going with pinkish, reddish hue, okay, color. It's pretty neat, right? It's pretty neat. They look pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and put the shoelaces away as well. You know, that's done with. That's over with. So there it is, guys. There it is, the unicorn one. Now let's get to the Banshee one. Again, like I said, nothing different about the design itself. The design is the same. Everything is, you know, just the colorway again. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these up because they are getting in my way. Anyhow, so the Banshee, as you know, it's the counterpart for the unicorn. It was the same, you know, model Gundam that was made in the shell, so they're kind of putting that emphasis here on the shoes themselves. Gold trim right off the bat. Again, you know, the swoosh comes off. See, but the Velcro is black. I thought that was pretty cool. The RX-0 Project Unicorn Gundam design, and it's pretty cool. I like the little brownish, you know, trim on it, black again with the gold in it, and again Nike SB at the bottom, but this one is how do you say, gold brownish, so to speak. Okay. The only big difference about this, guys, again, is the pad itself. Again, I don't really see like a big difference on it. See, so this one's like gold, and then this one's like kind of brownish, as you can see. All right, so let's go ahead and try it out. You can barely notice the difference. I honestly like this one better, and it goes more with the trim of it, right? Because I wasn't really a fan of the gold one, as you can see. It's a big kind of difference in the color. So I would actually stick with this gold one right here. But you know, to each their own. Like I said, they're pretty neat in that aspect. Shoelaces wise, look at what the missus did, right? We got a green one, we got a black one, and of course, because we can't make it the same, this is the gold one. Okay, so it was pretty interesting, right? Like, it's already 2 black ones, 2 black shoelaces. I think they kind of missed the mark there. I would have gone with like a yellow and then a gold trim. I don't know. I feel like they kind of messed up that part, but oh well, whatever. So there you have it. I'm gonna give you guys some stills. Then the gold one, which honestly that's what I would go with. As you can see, it blends in better, looks better. And then the green one, you know, I don't know. I don't even know why is it that they love green. I don't even know why is it that they put it in there, but hey, it's in there for you. You can customize it whatever you want. I think that's the nature of the SB Dunks, is customization for the shoelaces. Anyways, we're going to put our shoelaces away, guys. I'm going to put them away already. Okay. And there it is. The stickers are the same. Project Gundam Unicorn. Nothing too special about them. You know, they got your little emblems, things of that nature. You can put them wherever you want. I personally am not going to use them, so I'll just put them back where they belong. And that's about it. I'm going to put the Velcro pad away so we can continue on this review process. Alright, so there you have it. You know, both editions. Again, this is the Banshee. This is the Unicorn one. Okay, that's for the RX-0 Gundam Unicorn editions. They're pretty good. They're pretty good. Pretty good. I like them. I like them a lot. Overall, I think the best one out of the 2, I would go with obviously the Unicorn one. It's just got more feel to it. The white, it's more customizable. The shoelaces go with it better. Things of that nature. But we'll review both of them, you know, simultaneously. But overall, I think this one's better. Style-wise, for both, I mean, I would go with an A+. This is a really sharp looking shoe when you think about it. I mean, you can't go wrong with any of these. Like these are both are really solid. They look sharp. They look interesting. It kind of catches your eye. They look really good. You know, basketball wise, you know, things of that nature. The Dunks are actually slightly better if you want to like jump or play basketball on them. They're not like the Jordan 1s where those are terrible. Those will destroy your feet. So the Dunks are like a B+. I would go jump them up to a B+. And overall, I have to just go with an A-. Just that B+ brings it down a lot, but it's just go with an A-. There's a solid A-. It's really cool. I really like the designs. I think Nike did a really good job on this. The resale will kill you with these right now. That's all I can say about this. So if you missed out on getting these, then I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to pay. Right now, the StockX trending right now, it's around $400. You know, with the fees and the shipping and all that nonsense. You know, StockX doing StockX things. So yeah, that's about right. Anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave any feedback. And like always, y'all have a blessed day.